fuck is bro talking about? Let's get into it. Start around here. If I do this, alright, yeah, boom. Okay, it's uncomfortable as fuck. Alright, so this phone's like up to my hoodie right now. Let's get into it. How I got a crazy break even today and low key missed out all along. Starting out on the higher time frame. Alright. This is obviously fucking bullish, bro. We're coming up a high time frame. Oh, whoa. We're coming up a high time frame gap. We also have an unmitigated 4 hour above us, which is also aligned with equal highs and London highs. ES, similar thing. We took out this low as well. So yeah, we go over here. Go on the 1 hour equal highs. It's also a 1 hour unmitigated gap, and yeah. With LR above, with Asia above, with that daily high above. Same with ES. It also has equal highs there. Up here. I mean, bro, everything is aligned as fuck to just being bullish. Ideally, I would have wanted a target model off of a 1 hour IVG and continuation to this level, but I honestly already expected that wouldn't happen because I had a strong conviction that it was just gonna fucking rip and probably not give me a fucking entry. There's no way that I would have to wait till all the way to 10 a.m. get a retracement as well just to hit this spot. Especially with the sheer volume that y'all see. But yeah, oh, another thing too is we also had data low because Trump news came out that gave us this big ass rejection wick right here. So boom. But yeah, main target was here. We had extra targets up here, the LR with daily high, Asia, whatever, but this is the main target right here. So yeah, we got equal highs right here as well. Oopsie daisy, fuck me the butt the hell. And then this is the main target, of course. So yeah, ideally some type of long just here. And something also to note as well was there was a 1 hour right here that's aligned with a bunch of LR on a lower time frame. Pretty sure. Yeah. And during pre-market, we actually saw this 5-minute right here that appeared, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't take it because I don't know, I was kind of late to the market, so I'm not gonna hold you. And two, I don't take pre-market trades, but this is like such a good trade, bro. Like you can see the I don't know, I guess we inverted this to the downside. But bro, like we had a 1 hour unmitigated gap, we can go break even there. That's also a pair of LR. You know what I'm saying? And we got a 5-minute IFG. This shit obviously you're gonna see your fucking ripped ass all the way to here, which I didn't take, but pretty good trade. Something to also note is we have a devil's dick under us right here, and that Trump news right there. And I was gonna take longs anyways if we're too far away from the data low / Trump news, because if y'all didn't know, it doesn't matter that much if we're far as fuck away from Trump news. But yeah. Yeah, boom. So I kind of missed out on this 5-minute long a little bit, but not really. It played out pretty well. No break even. Boom, hit CP. Y'all see. But yeah, market opens. Already passed the 1 hour. I don't give a fuck if this needs. I don't care if it needs to get inverse or not. To be honest. But yeah, like it's you know, equal highs get taken out. I was like, okay, I might get a continuation here. ES already took out the stuff as well. I was like, maybe ES is building up more LR, right? I was like, shit, we have much more stuff to ES. So I'm chilling if we do still take this out, the main target. And yeah, I don't know. We give a retracement, but it wasn't, an actual like retracement, bro. Yeah, retracing anything and retracing to like I didn't even at least take out 930 equilibrium, none of that. I mean, you could say this range right here, but like what the fuck? That's a random ass range, bro. But yeah, and then hit the main target. I was like, well, what else can I take here? I don't know. And I was just looking at these guys over here, Asia and whatnot. To be honest, I was like, okay, before 10 a.m. closes, there's only two options here: a continuation long, or a inverse to the downside on the 15-minute IFGs, and then continuation short. We took continuation longs. But yeah, boom. I was waiting, bro. We're making a bunch of gaps or whatever. 10 a.m. came, and oh shit, oops. 10 a.m. came, and we inversed all the 4 hour for value gap, 1 hour, all that. So this is purely only fucking longs. It's a TARD model. The only thing I can target is either LR we build up or something up here. But at the same time, ES was, I'm pretty sure if you go here, ES took out this whole range right here, bro. So I was like, okay, this is just getting less and less probable. So ideally, if I do take longs, I want LR to be built up with this stuff, right? Like lower time frame, internal LR, just to line and be more high probable. I'm not gonna take a random ass long off of a 50. Hold my stutter. I'm not gonna take a random ass long off of a 15-minute or 5-minute without any type of structure being built, such as LR. So I can tell right here, LR is getting built up perfectly, amazingly. And we got a 15-minute for value gap. Bam, nigga. And I wasn't even looking at charts, to be honest. My homeboy was like, hey, bro, it's a 30 seconds, it's clean, but you take this. I was like, let me see. And I was like, this shit low-key is fucking clean. And then 30 second happens, which is also paired up with a 1 minute. It's a super tiny 1 minute though. And I would just want to break even at this most recent high / mitigated gap. And I'm not gonna hold you, I got a very discounted entry. It already happened. I was like, I'm only long this shit if I get like a good ass discount entry. And this is my fucking entry, bro. I was just gonna aim for the end of the LR. And then fucking rip. My goodness. Literal rip. Break even. And I was like, bet. I'm chilling. No, I'm not. Fucking it's my break even. Like, what the fuck is this? That built up more LR. And I was like, okay, let's start putting up more LR. And I was like, just kind of thinking that we're probably gonna open up the 1 hour under us at 11 a.m. and then just mitigate down to it, and then then we get the long. But this is my only trade of the day. That was it. Let's see what happened over here. Oh, what the fuck? It just hit. Okay, never mind. It just ran up to it finally after doing some bullshit. What the fuck is this? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You're telling me this thing lets rip ass at the last fucking minute? Alright, buddy. Excuse me. I'm tripping out. Holy shit. Oh shit, hey. so where was the 1 hour gap open up then? I guess I'll be done. I'm tripping. But yeah. Oh, that sucks. This shit hit out of fucking nowhere. I was anticipating to take this 3 minute longer here. But oops. I didn't like it. I was like, we have a 1 hour gap opening up under us. I didn't like it. I would have got stop hunted as well. So thank God. But look at that, that's crazy. I'm out. Peace out.